Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Many people do not watch English movies only because they do not understand the language. But today I have given an amazing solution that's help you enjoying English movies. In this video, I am going to show you guys how to translate English subtitles to any other language without any software and without any application, just one click. Before we start, make sure you have to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Let's get started. Okay, first of all, check description of this video. There is a link. Click on it and install this video player. Install it and open. Now choose the movie which you want to watch. Click on it. Now click on subtitles. Search online subtitles. Search in online English subtitles and then search. Download English subtitles right now, and now press the subtitles again and choose AI subtitle translator. AI subtitle translator. Now choose your language and press OK. That's it. If you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon for my next video. Thanks for watching.